Ahoy sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Has your dream cruise ever been suddenly interrupted, realizing your luggage took a slightly different vacation? Come aboard with us in today's episode as we walk through how to resolve luggage mishaps and get you back to enjoying your vacation on the high seas. First off, if you're facing a luggage dilemma, whether it's damaged, delayed, or downright missing, it's essential to report it straight away. Princess Cruises has a dedicated team essentially on standby, ready to jump into action and assist in locating your belongings or addressing any damage. Once you've alerted the crew and the initial report is squared away, you'll find yourself with a 15-day window to submit a more detailed written claim to Princess Cruises. I know, it might sound like a bit of a chore, but it's simpler than it seems, and it's all part of getting things sorted. Let me break down the process. Accurate documentation. First things first, you'll need that missing or damaged luggage report that you filled out on the ship or at the pier. It's the foundation of your claim, so make sure it's filled out accurately and in detail. Addressing damaged luggage. If your luggage has seen better days, it's time to assess the damage. If it's just a scratch or a dent and can be repaired, take it to a reputable repair shop and get an estimate or a receipt. This will give a clear picture of the repair costs. But if your luggage is beyond repair, it's a slightly different story. You'll need the repair shop to provide a statement on their letterhead indicating the replacement cost. It's all about detailing the damage and the cost involved. Tackling damaged clothing. Now, if it's your favorite outfit that took a hit, the process is quite similar. Head over to a professional, whether it's a tailor or a dry cleaner, and have them assess the damage. If the item can be repaired, great. Get a document detailing the cost of repair. If not, a statement indicating the replacement cost is needed. It's all about getting a clear and accurate assessment. Remember, timing is crucial in these situations. If the incident wasn't reported immediately, it could complicate the verification process of the claim, and we don't want any additional hiccups. So, acting promptly and accurately is your best bet. Got all your documentation in shipshape? Fantastic! Now, let's send them off to the Princess Cruises Property Claims Department. For your convenience, we've docked the mailing address and email right on the screen. Before we wrap up, it's a good idea to take a peek at Section 15 of the Passage Contract. It's got all the details on exclusions and limitations of liability, ensuring you know exactly where you stand with the property claims policy on Princess Cruises. So, there we have it. Tackling luggage issues can indeed feel like a journey of its own, but armed with the right information and a proactive approach, finding a resolution is entirely achievable. It all boils down to staying informed, acting promptly, and utilizing the resources at your disposal. Now, it's your turn. Ever found yourself in a property claim scenario with Princess Cruises or another cruise line? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.